Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. We are we are here with Edwin and Brian to celebrate their marriage. Edwin and Brian wish me to acknowledge their parents, family, and friends, and express their thanks for the love and support which they have received from them. This ceremony, united by feelings of love and affection for this couple, takes on meaning for all of us. It symbolizes for them and for us the value of commitment, tradition, and faith. In the wording of the marriage ceremony that follows, the vow that each of you will take is identical. In the relationship of husband and husband, which you are about to enter, your independence is equal and dependence is mutual. You are partners. Your intention, Edwin and Brian, to remain together for life gives you the time and freedom to be yourselves, to hope and dream and grow together. Brian would now like to say a few words to Edwin.
Hi, love. Simula sa araw na ito, ipinapangako ko sa iyo na ako ay iyong kasama sa panghabang buhay. Sabay nating tutuparin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Magkasama tayo sa hirap man at ginhawa. Walang pagsubok na hindi natin kakayanin na magkasama. Aalagaan kita, pagsisilbihan kita at mamahalin hanggang sa huli. Hindi man perpekto ang ating pagmamahalan, masaya ako kasi tinupad mo ang pangako mo sa akin na ipapanalo mo ko sa ngayon kabila ng ating pag-aaway at tampuhan. Alam ko sa una, hindi ko kayang ibigay ang buong tiwala ko sa iyo dahil sa pagkakamali mo. Pero ngayon, ipinapangako ko na kaya ko na ibigay ang tiwalang nais mo dahil naniniwala ako na kaya mo na akong mahalin ng buong buo. Sorry sa mga araw na hinusgahan kita at nawala ng tiwala sa iyo. Pero ngayon, buo na ang loob kong pagkatiwalaan kita at mamahalin ka higit pa sa buhay ko. Sa ngayon, malayo man tayo sa isa't isa, isang beses magkita sa isang taon, ang tanging hiling ko lang ay maging matatag at matiwala sa isa't isa. Dahil naniniwala ako na balang araw, magkakasama rin tayo na masaya at punong-puno ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Ipangako mo sa akin na sana hindi magbago ang pagmamahal mo sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita at nandito lang ako para sa iyo. That's all, ma'am.
Pag nababasahin.
Sabihin. That's all.
Edwin would now like to say a few words to Brian.
Edwin?
Yes, Edwin would now like to say a few words to Brian.
Hi, love. Mula nung nakilala kita, naririnig mo. Hi, love. Mula nung nakilala kita, nagbagong buhay. Salamat kasi tinupad mo yung mga pangarap natin dalawa. Huwag kang mag-alala. Sasamahan kita sa lahat ng plano na gusto mo at gusto natin dalawa. Andito ako, mahal na mahal kita.
I love you. Yes.
We will now solemnize your marriage. Brian, do you take Edwin to be your true, lawful, and wedded husband? And do you solemnly promise that you will love, honor, and cherish, and provide for him in sickness or in health, in prosperity, adversity, for richer or poorer, for better or worse, forsaking all others, and that you shall love and honor him so long as you both shall live?
Yes, I did.
And Edwin, do you likewise take Brian to be your true, lawful, and wedded husband? And do you solemnly promise that you will love, honor, and cherish, and provide for him in sickness or in health, in prosperity, adversity, for richer or poorer, for better or worse, forsaking all others, and that you shall love and honor him so long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Brian, will you now place the ring on Edwin's hand?
Yes.
And Edwin, will you now place the ring on Brian's hand? These rings are the symbols of your marriage vows, circles of wholeness, perfect in form. Your exchange of these rings marks the beginning of a long journey together, filled with wonder, surprises, laughter, tears, celebration, grief, and joy. May your faith, love, and affection for each other be as endless as the circles of these rings. By virtue of the laws of the state of Utah and the authority vested in me as a judge, I now pronounce you married. You may now kiss each other as husband and husband. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank
I'll
you.
get the paperwork in and then shall I close out the Zoom? Because I know you've got other recording. There's a lot of happiness over there. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Congrats!
Thank you. Okay.
Congrats, Ben!
Bye-bye.